Your style is a statement. It helps you to express yourself. It makes you stand out in a crowd. And your style needs nothing less than perfection. And that's what motivates us. Your happiness inspires us to be diligent, better, unique. Trust us to never give up on quality in our design, in our process, in our completion, so that we can be a part of your happiness, celebration, pride. Make us your partner in your journey of emotions and expressions. LUBNAN, ethnically tuned.